compartment, please be very careful as your items may be shifted during our flight. Once again, double check your surrounding areas for any of your personal belongings, especially those seat pockets. Once you step off the aircraft, you're not allowed back on. As you leave us today, please watch your step as you place door number 3 past the jetway and refrain from smoking until you're well within a designated smoking area. For guests needing wheelchair assistance, we're going to ask that you please remain seated until the maximum passengers have disembarked this aircraft, allowing our porters to